It is, sir. What kind of material is it? Cow skin?
The idea is to make money with sticks, which is our local materials. We could get them easy, and cow skin, which is being thrown away by most of the people. So by doing this, we create job in the community.
Okay, so what's the cost of one of these chairs here?
One of the chairs, it costs 20,000.
20,000?
Yes.
And how long does it take you to make?
This takes me 2.5 days roughly to complete one chair.
Okay, so that's including a stripping of the cow hide and drying. But how long does it take you for you to dry the hide from the cow?
It takes you about a week to dry it.
Okay.
We tend to split the money here in the community, so we buy cow skin from other people.
Okay.
We buy the cow skin, and by doing that, we also helping them create a little income for the family.
How were you all able to purchase the machines?
These machines were purchased from a grant.
Okay.
It was funded by the New Zealand government.
Okay.
June 2021, that's when it was renovated and funded by the New Zealand government.
All right, thank you.